right, so Bridget and I are starting out with pattern making. This, I feel, is an easy step that one could gloss over, but is super important. You'll think yourself, just do it. I cut out the plans, our printed plans on paper, and then I loosely trace them onto our sheet of underlayment. Bridget then roughly cut the shape out on the bandsaw, and now it's time to glue the paper onto the underlayment.
Let's go. Okay, so Kale just glued down the paper pattern, and now I'm gonna cut it out at the bandsaw, staying as close to the line as I possibly can, and then we're gonna take our sandpaper and sand it directly down to the line. All right, so I just cut these out at the bandsaw. We're going to sand down to the line in any areas that we didn't get close enough to the line, and then we're gonna take a 3/16 inch drill bit and drill at the center lines of all these mortises. All right, so I just finished drilling all the holes for our mortises, and just a reminder, don't throw out this extra underlayment because we're gonna use this as backing board later when we drill our real mortises. And one more tip, we're gonna write the date that this pattern was created on the pattern so that we have a record of which pattern is the newest.